Tamil. I am meeting you with one of our new videos. Pronouns plus verbs equal to easiest sentences. When you add pronouns with the verbs, you can make easy sentences. Let us go into the video. There are pronouns. We say the pronouns like I, you, we, he, she, it, respected, relatives. If I say I will be man. You will be tu, tum, are. This tu represents very local, no respect. You. This tum represents little respect, actually no respect. Are represents full respect. In English, we have for singular, no respect also you, respected person also you, the great person also you. But in other languages as well as in Hindi, these three categories. One you is, hey, you come here. One you is, you come here. One more you is, you please come here. So, we use this, you please come here, or you come here, tum, you. Hey, you come here. That one, tu. Tu, tum, are. The next one is we. We say hum. We say hum. He. In Hindi, he is va or ve. With respect, without respect, he. Va aata hai. He comes. Or ve. Ve means he, the respected. If I say the boy, if I tell the boy, hey, come here, he comes. If I say the elder one comes, he comes. Where this he is, ve or ye. She is also the same one. What, ye, ve, ye. This is no respect, this is respect. If I say it also, va, ye, that's all. If I say respected, pujya or adaraniya. If I say Pitaji is relative. If I say respected, Narendra Bhai Modi ji, then I may be using the name here. So all these are pronouns. Pronoun is nothing but instead of a noun what we use, which is pronoun. If I say Ram aata hai, Ram jata hai, Ram likhta hai, Ram padhta hai. Instead of telling every time Ram, if I say Ram aata hai, va jata hai, that word represents pronoun. Okay. So our topic is pronoun plus verb equal to simple sentence. Simple sentence. Right. Now I am going to teach you clearly only I. Today I am going to teach you how to use I. Man. First person. If you see, this is I is first person. If I say you, you are the second person. If I say all we together, we becomes first person plural. If I say he, she, it, third person. So the first person, second person, third person becomes the pronoun. Let me teach you. Let me explain to you. I say the word I. I is man. We write mime, but we pronounce man. Man. I am going to tell some verbs also here. Let us take one of the. Let us take 10 verbs. One is ana, to come. Next one is jana, to go. Third one is khana, to eat. The fourth one is pina, to drink. If we eat and drink, we will sleep. So fifth one, sona. Okay. Sixth one, to sit, baitna. Seventh one, to get up, utna. Eighth one, what shall we have? To take, lena. Ninth one, to give, dena. And the 10th one, to bring, lana. I have written simple verbs which we are using in our day-to-day life. Ana, jana, coming and going. Khana, pina, to eat, to drink. Sona, to sleep. Baitna, to sit. Utna, to get up or to stand. Lena, to take. Dena, to give. Lana, to bring. See, if I say this one, I am going to make the root verb now, which you knew already. Even then, I am going to teach you now. Ana, if I say in English, to come. Jana, to go. If I translate exactly, it will become like this. Kana, to eat. Pina, to drink. Sona, to sleep. Baitna, to sit. Utna, to get up. Lena, to take. Dena, to give. Lana, to bring. If I say this one in Tamil, it will be like to come, varudal. If I say jana, podal. If I say khana, sapidudal. If I say pina, kudittal. If I say sona, tungudal. If I say baitna, ukardal. Why I am writing this in both the five languages, I will tell you. Utna, to get up. Edudal. Lena, to take. Eduttal. To give, koduttal. To bring, kondu varudal. I am going to make that root verb now for your understanding. If I say ana, to come. If I say ja. If I remove na, then I have to remove to and dal. If I remove na, then I have to remove to everywhere. In the same way, dal I have to remove in Tamil. Now what it will become is come, va, ja, go, po, kha, eat, sapid, pee, drink, kudi, so, sleep, tung, buy, sit, utkar, would, get up, yed, lay, take, yed, they, give, kod, la, bring, konduva. Why I am telling this is, because using this now, what is remaining is root verb. What remains is root verb. Okay, this is root verb. Because only this root verb we are going to use in Hindi in sentences. For example, if I say मैं आता हूँ, if I say मैं आता हूँ, you say मैं, I am using the pronoun. What is the formula? Add pronoun with verb plus masculine or feminine simple present tense. Okay, this is what we are going to do. See how it is. Add pronoun with verb and make masculine or feminine. The verb should be masculine or feminine as per the pronoun. which is simple present tense, right? This is what making simple sentence also. Now you see how I am making the sentence. I say pronoun may. In this video we are going to see only may. May come. Verb is come. What is verb? I am masculine. If I am masculine, I say ta. Okay, I am masculine, I say ta. If I am feminine, then I have to say thi. Thi. So wherever may comes in present tense, in simple present tense, I should say whom. Whom. I should end with whom. So plus whom. H-O-O-N. That's all. I made the sentence now. May, ata, whom. If I am a female, if I am a girl, if I am a woman, may, ati, whom. Okay. Now second sentence. For the second sentence, ja. Ja means go. I am going. Or I go. Simple sentence means, simple present tense means I go. I am going becomes continuous. So I will say I go. Okay, I go. May, I go is ja. Ja, I am masculine. So I add ta. If I am feminine, then I will add ti. Plus conclude with whom. Whom. That's all. मैं जाता हूँ. मैं जाता हूँ. मैं आता हूँ. Okay, मैं आता हूँ. मैं जाता हूँ. What will be the next sentence? I eat. मैं खाता हूँ. मैं खाता or ती. So my feminine ती. Both you masculine. Whom. That's all. நான் சாப்பிடுகிறேன். मैं खाता हूँ. I eat. मैं खाता हूँ. So in this video, whatever I say is only simple present tense, only simple sentence. That too pronoun plus verb becomes simple sentence using just 10 simple verbs. If I say next one, what is this? मैं आता हूँ, आती हूँ. I come, I go. मैं जाता हूँ, मैं जाती हूँ. If I am masculine, ta. If I am feminine, ti. That you don't forget. Please don't forget. Now 3 verbs over. What are the 3 verbs? मैं, का, जा over. Okay. Now I change this. Only the verb. Just I change the verb for your betterment, for your understanding. Now I make pee. I drink. मैं पीता हूँ. Okay. मैं feminine means पीती हूँ. That's all. What's the next one? So I sleep. मैं सोता हूँ. Or if I'm a feminine, मैं सोती हूँ. Next, what is the next one? Sit. I sit. I sit. If I'm a boy, I sit. If I'm a girl, also I sit. मैं bite. See bite. मैं बाइटता हूँ. If I'm a girl, मैं बाइटती हूँ. That's what I have given the option here. This is the option. Both not supposed to use. You have to use any one only. Okay. So now we have finished 6 sentences. So 4 more sentences. Once again, I am going to rub this. Only the verb I am rubbing, so that you can substitute the verb with other verb. Just I want to show that I am just deleting the verb. Okay. Bite over mouse wood. I get up. I stand up. So what you say? मैं उठता हूँ. If I am a feminine, मैं उठती हूँ. Next, लेना. I take. मैं इडली लेता हूँ. I take इडली. Something. First we won't go with the object. We'll go with verb. मैं लेता हूँ. और मैं लेती हूँ. That's all. लेता, लेती. Next, दे. I give. मैं देता और मैं देती. मैं देता हूँ, मैं देती हूँ. Okay. So how many verbs more? Only one verb, which I will write here. मैं ला, I bring. ता और ती plus हूँ. That's all. I bring. मैं लाता हूँ, मैं लाती हूँ. So this is what we have to make. Okay, this is what we are making the sentence. In the board image, I will clearly give you, you can refer. Once again, I am going to rub this and I am going to write this. This is recap. You please see what is the formula. Pronoun plus verb. Verb is always root verb. Okay, this is root verb. Okay, pronoun plus root verb plus masculine means ta, feminine means the, right? Plus conclusion who. That's all. Pronoun ma, verb a. I am masculine, so ta. If I am feminine, then it is the. Then I add who. That's all. मैं आता हूँ, मैं आती हूँ, मैं जाता हूँ, मैं जाती हूँ, मैं खाता हूँ, मैं खाती हूँ, मैं पीता हूँ, मैं पीती हूँ, मैं सोता हूँ, मैं सोती हूँ, मैं बैठता हूँ, मैं बैठती हूँ, मैं उठता हूँ, मैं उठती हूँ, मैं लेता हूँ, मैं लेती हूँ, मैं देता हूँ, मैं देती हूँ, मैं लाता हूँ, मैं लाती हूँ. See, here we have made 20 sentences. It is 110. This one feminine, masculine 10, feminine 10. So far we have finished 20 sentences. Like this 20 sentences, we can make with some other sentence, some other verbs, we can make 20 more sentences. So this is the way of learning sentences. I hope you have understood from this video. If you have any doubt or any comment, please print your doubts or comments in the comment section. My children's video possible level is there, which is waiting for you. Kindly do visit, share, subscribe and support Siblings channel. One more thing I want to tell you, we have one of the WhatsApp groups for which I have the link in the description. Kindly visit the link, click the link, join. Namaste. Dhanyavad.